If you need to travel around the UK, there's a very high chance you've heard about National Express, because honestly, it's one of the most popular coach travel companies in the country. And booking tickets online is actually very simple once you know where everything is. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to book National Express tickets online, step by step. First, go to the official National Express website or open the app once. You're there, enter your departure city, your destination, and your travel dates, then choose whether you want a one-way trip or a return ticket. Now click search, and the website will show different travel times and prices. Honestly, prices can vary a lot, depending on the day, the time, and how early you book, so sometimes checking different times can save you money. Now select the trip you want. Then enter your passenger details. Some tickets may also ask if you qualify for discounts like student discounts, senior discounts, or coach cards. Now continue to payment. You can usually pay using credit cards, debit cards, Apple Pay, or Google Pay after payment. You'll receive your ticket by email or directly inside the app. And honestly, most people now just show the digital QR code on their phone when boarding, so there's usually no need to print anything. Now, one important thing, always double-check the departure station, travel date, and boarding time before confirming, because changing tickets later may include extra fees, depending on the ticket type. So to wrap this up, booking National Express tickets online is basically search your route, choose your trip, pay online, and use the digital ticket on your phone. And honestly, once you do it once, the whole process becomes super easy.